Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you you can catch tons of catfish by using just 4 simple ingredients? I'm about to tell you how. So, first thing that I want to do is we're going to test which is better, using Jell-O or grape flavored Kool-Aid. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do to make this recipe. First thing that we're going to need is chicken breast. So what you want to do, I like to cut the chicken breast up into cubes using my Rambo knife. So you want to do at least, a good sized chunk about like that right there. So I'm going to cut these up. Alright, so we got our chicken breast here. Go ahead, I got 2 more. Alright, so now that we got the chicken all diced up, got them in good sized chunks here, it's going to fit nicely on the hook. So what I'm going to do, one thing I did forget to mention, another ingredient that's important is minced garlic. So the garlic's going to give it kind of like that binder with the sugar from the Kool-Aid and from the Jell-O. It's going to make the bait just smell really sharp. So you're going to get a lot of traction from the catfish. So what I'm going to do is I've got my Ziploc bag here just for the Kool-Aid. We're going to go ahead and just put half the chicken in this bag here. Alright, then we're going to take the Kool-Aid packets. And go heavy with the Kool-Aid. It's always better to have more than not enough. But you want it to coat it really good. Alright, so we got the Kool-Aid in here. Next thing I want to do, I'm going to add just a little bit of water in here, just to help it kind of mix. And then, got my minced garlic. I'm going to add that to the bag. Oh golly, good thing I'm not a vampire. Woo! Alright, so sit here, toss that around, get it all good and evenly coated. That don't look too good. Looks like we're working with the Black Plague right there. Those catfish are going to love it. Alright, so we got that in there. Now, I'm going to take my Jell-O bag. We're going to add the rest of the cut chicken into this bag here. Alright, got my strawberry Jell-O packet right here. Use my Rambo knife. Ooh! Nothing like making a nice little mess. Good thing we're outside. Alright, we're going to add that in here like that. There we go. And then go back with some more water. Ooh, there we go. And then, last but not least, some more minced garlic. Go ahead and just empty that out right there. Alright, same process, just close this up and we're going to give it a good shaky. Alright, there we go. So we got our Jell-O chicken and our great flavored Kool-Aid chicken. So later on today we're going to go out on the water, see what happens,